course, coming back into the deal. So there was a high print. There was the kind of low print area. And you can see what happened in terms of this morning's trade levels. Perfect halfback trade level. Perfect halfback trade level just there. And you can see that we've had this big ramp again from the $8.40 a share up to a high price of $12. That's a large 50% profit again on the MRIN trade. So that's a very, very, very nice outcome, guys. Very nice outcome. $100% yesterday, 50% today. We'll take that, will we not? Tootin' right we will. That's why sometimes they're worthwhile keeping an eye on, guys. Who made money on the steepener on the 210s that I shouted a short while ago? This is the 210s. We started to pick up some longs into this phase here. And we've had a very, very good 210s response away from that level, guys. Very good response away from that. Made some really, really decent money. And obviously, if you're long the 210s, you're also able to trade that by selling bonds, of course. And if you manage to get some short bonds out of this area, then you've managed to make some money off that short bond. Because if you're long the 210s, you're nearly always going to be short bonds. Nearly always. That is a nice trade outcome, guys. That's exactly what you're looking for. Fantastic. Classroom in 5. We're going to be looking at VWAP. We're going to be looking at some of the order flows. And to save me rolling backwards and forwards, I'll go through a few screenshots and I'll gather some screenshots again just to save us some of the lag that we're getting, at least at the moment, so far, touch wood. But we haven't had a freeze, but we are coming into 4 o'clock, and from 4 o'clock yesterday we had about a dozen of them. So there's no guarantees that from 4 o'clock onwards we're not going to have another dozen. But we'll find out soon enough. Always the optimist.